In this Snapchat video today I will show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, if you want to reverse the video on Snapchat, so you just need to update your Snapchat app and then launch. So if you want to reverse a video, so you must have a recorded video. So I want to first of all record a video. So you just need to simply tap and hold down the record button, and here you just need to record a video clip. So first of all, I want to record a video. So you could see I have recorded a video. Now I want to add a Snapchat reverse filter to this video, and you will see this video will be goes to in a reverse mode. So you just need to simply tap the finger to the left side and swipe to the right side. So once again swipe once again. So you just need to 8 times swipe the finger, and now you will see the reverse. So now you can see the reverse video is working on Snapchat. Now I just want to save this video into my Android device, and you can see I have successfully reversed it. So if you want to get more videos regarding Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.